Part 3. If you haven't watched the previous videos, we dragged the Aristo to the shed, pulled the engine out, and have taken it to my brother's workshop.
Yeah, C2JZ, brother.
What we are going to be doing now is stripping the engine down, as a lot of the things on it, the standard stuff like engine loom, manifold, turbos, all that sort of stuff we're not going to be using. Original plan was to just change all like the service stuff, oil pump, water pump, cam belt, and then just strap a big turbo to it. Everyone kept telling me that the stem seals are known to fail. They go hard after a certain amount of years in use. So I thought to myself, if I'm going to be pulling it apart, I may as well get a set of Brian Crower 264s to chuck in it. This is where it gets a bit dangerous, because you think, if you're going to do the cams, you may as well pull the head off. So I'm going to be chucking an head gasket in it and some ARP head studs as well. Exciting. Turbos! Well, that one pulled the thread out.